What's up, everybody? Back with another video. It's Luke Uncle, and today we're going to do a dirt bike mirage, so-called. I forgot what it's called. Anyways, right now we are packing everything up, and I will see you at the track, all dressed. Okay, quick shout out who just subscribed to me this morning. I just made my YouTube channel yesterday. His name is Peak Vibes. Shout out to Peak Vibes. Go subscribe to him. He has 838 subscribers so far. Please get him to 100K for that plaque. And please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it, Peak Vibes. Alright guys, we are officially here at the Fernley track. And I have just done a quick little session or two. And here's the track. Over there, there's like a triple, and I've been clearing that all the way to the bottom. My dad, who is putting on his helmet right now, is going to be getting some footage of me. So, check that out in the next clip.
Luke is on the orange KTM, and his dad is on that Honda.